everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app stuck on loading screen. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the Deutsche Bank app, swipe it away, wait for a few while and then reopen it. Then restart your device to refresh your system. Then head over to your app store, search for the Deutsche Bank app and then update the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the problem continues, reinstall the app then log in again. Also make sure the bank servers are not under maintenance. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app stuck on loading screen. Like and subscribe for more tech fixes.